fart tube. Fart tube, fart tube, there's our fart tube. Yeah, there's our fart tube now. This is the failed Mark 6 project with the 49cc 4-stroke on it. Today we're going to be tuning the exhaust by sticking an inner tube over the exhaust pipe, cutting it down to length, about there, and starting it up. I feel like the first step here needs to be putting a tie around here. Snip that off. Alright, now we're going to start, I think, with a length of about there. Alright, so what we have is a bit of a fart tube. Oops. Now, obviously this is not in running condition. What had happened is I bought a brand new rim for it and the motor just instantly bent the spokes. It just wasn't a strong enough wheel, and I don't have the funds to go replacing wheels every time I want to take it for a drive. But I have not yet taken the 4-stroke off this frame yet, because one day I hope to get another 27-inch wheel and, you know, get this thing up and running again one day. But for now, it's just a test platform. Now, I'm running this fuel line without a filter, just because it isn't a long-term run, and we should be fine. So let's see if we can get it started. Can't even see if I've got a good frame here. There's our little fart tube. Fart tube. All right. Got to appreciate the fact that it started first pull after sitting under there for months and months. Alright. So we didn't get much out of the longer tube, so I'm going to go ahead and shorten it a bit. Let's see. There's our fart tube. We are leaking fuel everywhere. I suspected we might. That's right. Should be right. Shut that off. We are definitely leaking fuel, so we're going to do this as quickly as we can. Yeah, there's our fart tube now. And this is where I walk away from the project, because it's still the height of summer. All I've been doing is ripping that thing. It's not going to start again. I've flooded it. The fuel line's leaking fuel all over my dry grass. Now I'm going to put this thing away until I can be bothered. Problem is my zip ties are too fat for the fuel line, so I need some thinner zip ties for that fuel line. But I'm going to come back to this. I think I'm onto something.